I like the Echo. This is it. This is a 2007 GTI DSG performance. It's got a good battery. Definitely starts up every time. We're gonna change that. Get a good connection. Nice. First, remember kids in the back seat, buckle up. Hey there, little guy. Goo goo gaga. Gotta make sure it works. It's okay. Steering's a little weird. Yeah, slides all right too. This is our 2007 GTI. We're gonna give it a second life. This guy came to us ready to get dismantled, recycled. We're gonna recycle it into our track car.
Holes.
No. He's our lead tech here.
No, take that back.
His brain's massive.
No.
But also really smooth.
We don't consider
a little give and take with that
one.
What are we doing, Brody?
I'm here. Pull some plugs out. I'm gonna see how well it's running. Let me tell you. There's a lot of fuel.
Not great.
A lot of cold starts.
Nay. Double nay.
Time to gap them and take them to Gapplebee's.
We could use a valve cover reseal. We got a little bit of sweating going out the back. Cylinder 2 and 3 have a little bit in cylinders, not a lot. We've seen worse.
I'm just doing a wheel bearing because car needs a wheel bearing.
Yeah, you know, ABS doesn't work.
Yeah. But I'm actually not a licensed tech, so it's probably going to fall off.
Huh.
Yeah.
Maury's got me the
See
hose.
if this fits.
Okay. Yep. Next one.
Hold on, see if that one fits too.
Okay. Yep. Nope, it does not fit. Take it back.
Okay, throw it back. That's
All
fine.
right. Give me the
glove.
It'll make it
Spin
work.
on it.
It'll make
Yeah,
we'll
like
it
a glove. Let me break this down here while these guys are torquing and blowing their backs out, doing stuff here. Basically, we got to bring this thing up to snuff as far as maintenance goes before we can slam it on the track and abuse the crap out of it. Cam follower's been replaced. Super common on FSI engines. We're doing spark plugs. They're already in there. They're gapped to what we need. We do need to replace the radiator, the intercooler. They both have damage. And we're going to do a little noise pipe delete as well. As soon as we start recording, what about buttered sauces? What's that all about? Why is that a thing? Why does that bug me so much? Back to the car here. We've got a DV Plus going in. We have to repair the downpipe. It's got damage. Interior's getting stripped. Brakes. Got to stop. You got to slow the whoa when you want to go. What's going on?
Well, you keep giving me the wrong size hose. So
Okay, what about the garden hose?
I'm trying to make it fit. No,
no.
Get rid of the garden hose.
Look.
This is not a solution.
Hear me out.
What size?
It'll fit. Pull it off. Just
No, give me the other end.
yeah, put it on.
Okay. Mouth to mouth. Okay, see? It doesn't look at collapse.
Hold on,
too easy.
stand by.
Yeah.
Just let me know what's
okay,
going on.
go. Yeah, it's not gonna fit. It's garden hose.
Yeah, but it's still the right diameter for that piece right there. We can just put it in and make it work.
It's not gonna work very long, and it's not gonna work on a track car. So I don't think so. This is Johnson.
The garden hose would fit better.
Yeah, but this hose would be better overall. So I think
overall, the one that doesn't fit would fit.
fits better. Fits fits better.
More-
Okay, let me tell
more
you,
gooder, more gooder.
this is going to fit better, last longer, and we're going to win. Because John Cena wins.
Winning at life.
Oh, man.
Winning.
All right, time to get this in here. It's not fitting very well. I'm not appreciating that my efforts have gone in vain. I would just like to get the hose in, even though it's not the right size. Oh, that is also the wrong size. We don't use that here.
When you see him doing that fucking face, I'm sorry, I swore. When you see him doing that bleeding face, strength. That's strength.
Ah!
That's never coming off.
Hi, Captain.
Hey guys, so unfortunately we've had our first casualty. If you take a look over here, this coolant fitting broke off. It's actually very common. Old, brittle plastic. But here at Das Parts, we always have
Quality used parts.
so we can fix it.
An easy fix. It's not OEM, but it's going to do for sure. Take a look at this. Take a look at this thing. It's not the finest work we've ever done, but it's going to work better than OEM, and it will probably last much longer than OEM. Will it leak? No. And that's all that really matters.
Well, this is what we're going to do. We're not going to be running a front plate. We're going to take this bracket off. All we got to do is push in these clips, the center of them, have a little pin, basically push them in, and you can pull the clip out. It should be.
We're now going to be removing the AC condenser and the rest of the AC system because we no longer need it. It's a bunch of weight, and it also blocks a little bit of our radiator. We'll get a bit more airflow through the rod, so hopefully it keeps our temps in check. And when I do the timing belt, I can remove the rest of the lines. Ooh, the turbo coolant line's a little crusty. It's not looking so good. It's gonna have to be fixed.
Take it off, cut it back, put it back on.
Yeah, that is definitely the cheap way to do it, or the easy way to do it. So you're not allowed to release refrigerant to the atmosphere. It causes damage to our ozone. So we need a machine like this to be able to evacuate, pull, and charge the systems. So right now, we're doing identification to see what's in the system, and then we'll be able to pull out what's in it if it is R341A for the refrigerant. Probably 74, 72-ish. For the amount of pressure it should be in its current state. Now warming up. Once it warms up, then we'll pull a bit of refrigerant, and then we'll identify what's in the car. It's in the hoopty. Look for the whoopty. Scoop it a whoop. Hoop it a scoop. Yeah, I'm gonna take this intake pipe out. Unless he's already doing it. Nope, he's already doing it. I'm just gonna stand here and watch. It's time to delete this noise pipe that we don't need anymore. Because we don't want noise.
We don't need noise.
We want power. Consistent power. Delete some of those boost leak potential places and have a more reliable system. That's what we're going for.
On my right, you'll see the stock throttle pipe with this convoluted noise pipe that does absolutely nothing except rob horsepower. Here, we have an OEM piece from a B6 Passat without a noise pipe.
Boom, 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 boom. The rat support is off. Time to put nothing back and watch it die forever. I am getting rid of all of the AC components, all the lines. More than likely, we're not going to actually unbolt anything. Probably just going to cut it. We're not keeping it anyway, so there's no point wasting our time unbolting anything. It's just a couple snips and give her a quick yank. Here we go. Snip. Boom, there's one. This one. I'm going to come back with a bigger tool. This is the tool I had to get. This will make short work of AC lines. A little there, a little more down. Boom, done. Give her a little yank, and they're done. They're out. And now they're aluminum scrap. That's some good coolant there, that's for sure.
You shouldn't put that in. This looks pretty clapped with the rad pack. all separated like that. Don't you think?
I think it looks pretty good. Looks good to me. We're all about the most efficient route. We just give her a little slice. Yeah, we need a different
Slice and
blade.
dice
We need a
action?
little bit of a different blade here. There goes
Oh.
the rad pack. Yeah, just give her just give her a kick over. Get into it. Get into it. Get it good. Get it good.
Get it right. Get it tight.
Get it in the rad pack is what we like to say. Oh, yep. Yeah, the bottom isn't in spot, so it's not going to go in.
Yeah, that makes
Yeah,
sense.
you got to put the bottom in first. Yeah, the bottom.
It looks like it's in.
No,
fool.
it's definitely not. Yeah, keep hitting it a few more times. It might. No.
There it is.
One more. Yeah. This side. Yeah, this side. No, this side. Yeah. This side.
There
No,
it is.
there you go. Boom. It's in.
We're missing nuts, bolts, and all of the above. Because someone decided that we didn't need that.
Who was someone?
I don't know. The previous person that many owners have owned this car someone decided that we didn't need the bolt anymore.
Yeah, get it in there. I'm just gonna watch. Yeah, get it in.
Sometimes you just gotta.
No, just put it in though.
Put your
A little.
You put.
Oh, okay. Yeah, perfect.
Put your finger on
That
the
was
trigger.
good work. All right, but I'll plug in the map sensor. Boom. See that? Click. Boom. Done. You know what? Accessibility makes things easier. We don't need it. You know what? AC lights, AC stuff. Oh, we don't need this anyways. Boom. Oh, here you got the fans on. Nice work. Oh, he's revving it. He's revving it.
We're leaking.
No problem. Put the bolts in. Send them home. And that's their new home forever. Their forever home, we'd like to say.
What's the torque spec on these?
15 Ugga. Nope, that was only 5.
Let me back it off.
Back it off.
Okay. There we go.
That was good.
We got a lot done, ladies and gentlemen. Old rad, condenser, gone. New used stuff, quality used stuff. No leaky. Good to go. New charge pipe in there. Noise pipe, delete. We got more maintenance coming up. What about buttered sauces? We've got timing belt, cam timing, DSG service. I've got to do an oil change for sure. That stuff is probably like molasses in there right now. Not good, but it's going to be good. And then we're going to do baseline. We're going to send it on the track and see what we break and go on from there. We'll see you in the next one.
Ta-ta, my friends.